Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Interesting product for you today. So we have a portable mic speaker. So as you can see, it's a portable mic speaker. This speaker is very expensive. It's the most expensive speaker in entire city where I live. Actually, just kidding. This costs £1 British. Yes, you heard me right. So in today's video, we'll see how good is a speaker that costs more than a coffee. So yeah, let's crack this baby. This is my knife. So let's open it and let's see how good is the speaker. I have my tablet here, so I'm gonna play some music and we'll compare if the sound is good. So I always struggle to open this type of boxes, but luckily my knife is very sharp. I bought this knife to unbox boxes and stuff. Apologize about the sound. Yeah, this is very professional from my side. Okay, let's remove this. Let's take the speaker. Also, we have some paper here. Okay, so what we have here. So this is the speaker. This looks like a classic. Oh, I almost break it. Actually, I did. Yeah, so don't try to bend this speaker because it will fall. It looks like a classic microphone from the 80s. Actually from 60s or 70s. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, we have a 3.5 to 3.5. And we have a, I believe you can charge this. No, this is, I believe this is to listen to music or to charge it. Let me double see. But well, for the first time in the history, we will open the manual to check what it's this for. So let me see now. Well, it's an interesting manual. Yeah, so basically you can plug this to a PC, iPod, and directly to your smartphone. Actually, yeah, this is pretty much. So turn the mic speaker on. Then there's a, you need to put this. There's a base that doesn't move. So basically, yeah, I'll try that now in a second. But yeah, let's test it and let's see how good it is. So first we need to turn the speaker on. So there's a button here, on and off. It's off at the moment. So let me turn the speaker on. And now let me try this on my tablet. So it's gonna be interesting to see if the sound is good. For £1 British. Actually, this is not bad. So let's see. The speaker actually is here. I don't know if you can see. Oh, so we have a blue light. This is nice. Okay, so we have a sound. So now let me play some of my videos to see if actually this will work. Okay, so let me try now to play some of my videos to see, and then we'll play some music. Actually, this is a video that I did a couple of days ago about the mouse. There's a sound, so let's. So this is about 75%, 80%. This is 100%. Let me put the microphone closer to hear the sound. Okay, so not bad actually. There's a little bit bass. It's a stereo, so not bad. Let's try some. Let's say some podcast or something. But I'm not gonna play some podcast. I'm gonna play some, for example. This is my intro. Not bad, actually, not bad. So this is very good update, which I'm very happy. So this is the lights that I did a couple of days ago. Strip lights behind me, you can see. I'm gonna leave it in the link down below. So problem, I'll install the app and I'll show you all. It's tiny when you play, let's say, a podcast, or let's say it's not good. But for music, I think it's gonna be good. So let's play some non copyright music. And let's see if the sound is gonna be good. Let's play something. This is full max.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Not bad. Not bad. So yeah, it's a small speaker. It's flimsy. £1 for this amazing speaker. But yeah, I think if I'm honest with you, I think you should use your smartphone, because the sound from the smartphone, it's much clear, louder and crisp. But for £1, not bad actually. And let's say if you don't have a smartphone, I believe this is much better than the speakers from your laptop. So let's do it this way. So let's say you buy, you don't have a smartphone, you at the office, do some work or play some music, but the sound from the laptop is not good. We know that. So yeah, for laptop, yeah, why not? This is good. So that's why you have this 3.5 to USB cable inside. So yeah, interesting. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this £1 speaker. Do I recommend it? Probably yes. Why not? It's a £1. Come on, are you joking? So if you don't have a smartphone at office, you want to play some music, definitely £1, no brainer. Okay guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video.